Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make pizza at home. For that we need paprika, which we have already cut into pieces, long pieces. Tomatoes also chopped. Chicken also chopped into pieces. Now we are going to rinse the chicken with vinegar and water. Pour few drops of vinegar into the chicken and rinse with water. This will remove any bad smell from the chicken. Drain the water properly and set it aside. Now we are going to fry our vegetables in a frying pan. To add on top of the pizza, first add a few drops of oil. Let the pan get hot and then add the paprika. And fry them well until they are lightly brown. Now our paprika is fried. Next step, we will fry the tomatoes. Now the tomatoes are also lightly fried. Now we are going to remove it from the stove and set this aside also. Now we are going to season our chicken. First, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, and mix the chicken properly. Black pepper, and then mix it as well. Now we are going to fry the chicken. Until it is cooked properly. You can tell the chicken is cooked when the water is all soaked up and the chicken is starting to get dry. When your chicken is almost cooked, add garlic sauce to it for more flavor. Don't add too much or else it will overpower the flavor of the chicken. You can leave it till here, but I will fry it till it is golden brown. Now our chicken is cooked. We are going to remove it from the stove. Now we are going to cook our pizza dough. Inshallah, I will put this recipe for pizza dough later on, but first I am going to cook it properly on a roti pan. Let it cook properly. Then we are going to add our ingredients on top of it. It is cooked. Now I am going to shift it into a round plate. Now we are going to add our toppings on top of this pizza. First, I am going to add my tomato ketchup sauce for this pizza. Spread it evenly. Then I'm going to add a bit of mozzarella cheese on top of it. Not too much before. Then I'm going to add the vegetables. Then tomatoes. Then our chicken. And then the mozzarella cheese on top. Now I'm going to shift it into the microwave. Now I'm going to put it into the microwave. Everything is cooked already. I just need to melt the mozzarella cheese for 1 minute. Let it melt until then. And our pizza is ready to eat.